Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. Today we are going to discuss about the central nervous system, which is abbreviated as CNS. Dear cadets, today we are going to discuss different aspects and different components of the central nervous system. Dear cadets, central nervous system acts as a control center of the whole nervous system. It comprises brain and spinal cord. Dear cadets, you must remember that central nervous system has two parts, two components. These components are brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord. These are the two components of the central nervous system. Now, dear cadets, we will discuss the first component of the brain. That is, of the nervous system. This component is brain. Crickets, what is brain? Human brain is enclosed in a bony skull called cranium. Crickets, a bone which is uh, which is protecting our brain, which forms our head. This is a bone, and this bone is known as skull, खोपड़ी. इसे भी हम खोपड़ी भी कहते हैं. So this skull, bony skull, is known as cranium, and this cranium enclosed our brain. Brain is human brain, and is present within this cranium, which is a bony skull. So human brain is enclosed in a bony skull called cranium, and consists of the billions of interneurons. There are billions of neurons are present within our brain. It is divided into the different parts. Uh, our brain is divided into three main parts, which are as forebrain. Number one, forebrain. Second, midbrain, and third one is hindbrain. Dear cadets, we will discuss different parts of the forebrain. Forebrain is the largest part of the brain. It is the largest part of our brain. It consists of the three main parts, such as cerebrum, cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. These are the three main parts of the forebrain: cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. Dear cadets, now we will discuss the different functions and location of the cerebrum. Dear cadets, cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain. Dear cadets, it is the largest part, and it is the topmost part of our brain. It is divided into right and left cerebral hemisphere. Dear cadets, hemisphere means half sphere, half circle. So our uh, cerebrum is divided into the two parts, which are known as hemisphere. One is known as right hemisphere, and the other is known as left hemisphere. Dear cadets, cerebrum controls many actions. These are the functions of the cerebrum, so like thinking, thinking, feelings, emotions, seeing, vision, hearing, परसेप्शन, मतलब कोई ख्याल हम बना लेते हैं, कोई खास मेमोरी, याद रखते हैं कुछ चीज़, यादाश्त, स्पीच, बोलते हैं, स्पीकिंग है, डिसीजन मेकिंग, हम कोई फैसला लेते हैं. These all are controlled by the cerebrum, which is the part of the forebrain. Cadets, next part is thalamus. Inside cerebrum, there is a small structure called thalamus. Dear cadets, here we can see in the diagram that all this whitish area, whitish gray area is known as cerebrum. It is the largest and the topmost part of our brain. So now we will discuss thalamus. What is? It is present inside. It is the cerebrum is being curved. It has a little bit curve in middle of it. So uh, here is a thalamus present. Circadian thalamus is a small structure present enclosed, sorry, inside the thalamus. So we can see from the diagram. So inside cerebrum there is small structure called thalamus. Now what is its function? The function of thalamus is to control many sensory functions. It controls different sensory functions. Next we have hypothalamus. It is the third part of the forebrain. Third, sorry, hypothalamus lies at the base of thalamus. देखिए base means बुनियाद जहाँ से कुछ चीज शुरू हो रही है. तो जो थैलेमस है अब सबसे ऊपर है बॉडी के हमारे दिमाग का जो सबसे ऊपर वाला हिस्सा है वो है सेरिब्रम. एंड सेरिब्रम के अंदर थोड़ी सी जगह मुड़ी हुई है तो उसके अंदर मौजूद होता है मतलब सेरिब्रम के नीचे मौजूद है थैलेमस. अब थैलेमस के नीचे मौजूद है थैलेमस के नीचे हाइपोथैलेमस मौजूद है. तो these three different parts are present in a sequence. Dear cadets, now we will discuss midbrain. Dear cadets, midbrain is the small part of our brain. It is the smallest part of our brain and which is present below the cerebrum. Cerebrum जो कि हमारा फोर ब्रेन का हिस्सा है उसके बिल्कुल ये नीचे पड़ा होता है. It receives the information from sense organ which is then passed to an on appropriate part of the forebrain. Appropriate means specific, specific part. सो डेडिकेटेड मिड ब्रेन जो है इसका काम सिर्फ इतना ही है कि ये सेंस ऑर्गन मतलब आंख कान नाक स्किन वहां से इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव करता है फिर उनको आगे खुद पढ़ता नहीं है उनको बल्कि ये उन इंफॉर्मेशन को रिसीव कर देता है जो हमारा फोर ब्रेन होता है उसकी जो मुतलका हिस्से होते हैं. मतलब कि अब हम स्पीकिंग कर रहे हैं हम बोल रहे हैं या हम सुनते हैं कुछ चीज हमने सुनी. अब ये सेंसर करना है ईयर हमारा उसने इंफॉर्मेशन ली अब वो सीधा हमारी सॉरी मिड ब्रेन तक जा रही है. ये इंफॉर्मेशन सेंस ऑर्गन से हमारे मिड ब्रेन तक पहुंची है. अब मिड ब्रेन क्या करेगा देखेगा कि ये जो इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे पास आई है दिस इज रिलेटेड टू this part of the forebrain. So then midbrain will send this message to that specific part of the forebrain. Now, if we are seeing something, if we are watching something, so our midbrain will receive this information that something is being seen, and uh, midbrain will send this information to another specific part of the forebrain. So its function is to receive sensory information and messages, and it will send these messages to the specific part of the forebrain. Dear cadets, now we have hindbrain. Dear cadets, what is hindbrain? Hindbrain consists of the three parts such as cerebellum, cerebellum, second pons, and third is medulla oblongata. Dear cadets, these are the three main parts of the hindbrain. Dear cadets, what is cerebellum? Cerebrum and cerebellum. These both are different parts. Cerebellum is the part of the hindbrain. It lies under the back part of the cerebrum. Dear cadets, it is present at the back part of the cerebellum. Dear cadets, अब हम देखते हैं we look at the diagram and we can see that this is cerebellum and this is the boundary of the cerebellum. Sorry, cerebrum. So cerebellum is present at the this back part of the cerebrum. So next, dear cadet, what is the function of the cerebellum? It acts as a controller for maintaining the body balance. बॉडी का जो बैलेंस है, हम जो मतवाजन अब बैलेंस के साथ खड़े होते हैं जमीन के ऊपर, अर्थ के ऊपर, तो ये सेरिबलम के कंट्रोल की वजह से है. Body balance and making precise and accurate movement. ये करें precise and accurate meaning खास, प्रिसाइज बिल्कुल ठीक, ज़रूरी, एक्यूरेट बिल्कुल ठीक, प्रिसाइज जितनी ज़रूरत है उतनी, मतलब हमारी बिल्कुल मर्जी के मुताबिक, ज़रूरत के मुताबिक जितनी हमारी बॉडी कह रही है उतनी जो मूवमेंट है हमारी वो होती है. तो इस मूवमेंट को कौन कंट्रोल करता है? दिस मूवमेंट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द सेरिबलम. डिरकेटिड्स. अब प्रिसाइज और एक्यूरेट का क्या मतलब है कि हम कोई कदम अपनी मर्जी से जहाँ रखना चाहते हैं तो हमारा कदम बिल्कुल वहीं पे पड़ा रहता है, उसके अलावा इधर उधर हमारा कदम नहीं जाता बिल्कुल भी. Next, dear cadets, third part is second part is of the hindbrain is pons. Pons is an oval structure present beneath the midbrain. Dear cadets, oval mean egg-like. Dear cadets, pon is an egg-like structure, which is oval structure, where it is present beneath the at the base of the midbrain. So, what is its function? It controls many functions like sleep, swallowing, equilibrium, taste. Uh, our taste, our equilibrium is control. Equilibrium जो है सर dear cadets, ये इसका मतलब है कि हमारी जो बॉडी का तवाज़न है ओवरऑल, वो उसे हम बोलते हैं इक्विलिब्रियम. बॉडी के अंदर जो है हर एक चीज़ का एक तवाज़न चल रहा है, हमारी पूरी बॉडी है वो मुतवाज़न है, तो इसे हम बोलते हैं इक्विलिब्रियम. तो इक्विलिब्रियम और टेस्ट ये सारा स्लीप पॉन्स कंट्रोल कर रहे होते हैं. Cricket third part is medulla oblongata. Cricket, it forms the posterior part of our brain. It forms our posterior part of our brain, where it is connected to the spinal cord. Because spinal cord is present in our back, in our backbone. So actually, this spinal cord is connected with our brain. So medulla oblongata is the part of the brain which is connected to the spinal cord. मेडुला ब्लैंकेटा कंट्रोल्स हार्ट बीट. हमारी जो हार्ट बीट है उसको ये कंट्रोल करता है मेडुला ब्लैंकेटा. नेक्स्ट, ब्रीथिंग. हमारी जो सांस चल रही है हर वक्त उसको भी मेडुला ब्लैंकेटा, इसके साथ डाइजेशन है उसको भी. तो दीज आर द डिफरेंट फंक्शन which are controlled by the medulla oblongata, and medulla oblongata keeps on working when rest of the brain does goes to sleep. फिर कैडेट्स जब हमारी ब्रेन के बाकी से सोने के लिए चले जाते हैं, रेस्ट करते हैं, तो मतलब कि सोते वक्त, तो उस वक्त भी हमारा एक जो हिस्सा होता है दिमाग का वो चलता रहता है. वो कौन सा है सर? डियर कैडेट्स, दैट पार्ट इज known as medulla oblongata. This is the part of our body which works 24 hours. Dear kids, do you know brain of an adult human weighs about 1.5 kg. Dear kids, हमारी जो आम एक बालग इंसान है तो उसका एक कंप्लीट जो ब्रेन है उसका वजन है 1.5 kg, मतलब 3 पाउंड्स या 1.5 किलोग्राम. Next, it consists of about billions of trillions of the neurons are present in our brain. Crickets, it's enough for today. Stay blessed. Allah.